Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your WebinarFuel account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set the schedule or timing for your webinar in WebinarFuel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set webinar times in your WebinarFuel account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that with WebinarFuel, you can set various times, so it always feels like the viewer is dropping in on a live webinar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel account, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to set the webinar times, there's actually two ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is when you are setting up a new webinar, they're going to ask you to set up a schedule. The second is if you already have a schedule with one of your webinars you're running, you can change the schedule and add more times or decrease the times. We'll go over both of them. Whatever the case is, check my video description. I'm going to leave all the written instructions there. So in order to set your webinar times here on the top, you're going to click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different webinars you're running. You can see I have 3 that are running. So first off, in order to set a schedule for a new webinar, you're going to click on this orange plus icon and you're going to fill this out. So name of the webinar, description of the webinar, and then click on create. Okay, once you click on create, it's going to bring you here where you can go ahead and upload a video or integrate a video. So I'll go ahead and just upload a video. Okay, after you've added a video, you're going to click on next. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set your webinar time. So the first and most important part is here on this little box, you're going to click on there. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these 5 different options. So if you choose on, that means that your webinar is going to happen on a specific date at a specific time. It's not going to be recurring. So if you know that you're only going to have the webinar at a certain time, you can click here, choose the date. So let's say we're going to have it for next week, and then we're going to go ahead and set it for, I don't know, maybe let's do 5 p.m. Okay, so if you don't want to do it on a specific date, you can click here and choose every. So maybe you're going to have your webinar run every week or every day. Let's do week, and we're going to run them on Thursdays at 8 p.m. If you don't want to do them on a set schedule like that, you can go ahead and do now. So with now, basically what's going to happen is the person is going to register for the webinar, and it's going to say, hey, there happens to be a webinar that's going on right now. You can join now. So that way you can jump right into a session that's already in progress. So obviously you want them to feel like they're joining in on a live webinar, but they are joining in late. So if your video is, let's say, 30 minutes of your webinar, maybe you can let them join in at, let's say, the 4-minute mark. So by the 4-minute mark, you're already talking. We already have participants coming and going. So they're going to feel like they're jumping in or kind of interrupting into an existing webinar. So that one, I kind of like that one. That feels good just because they can jump in and the webinar is already in action. And if you don't want to do that, you can do a replay. So this means that they can jump in and they can see the replay from yesterday. And lastly, right here, this one is for tomorrow. So there's always going to be a webinar that's going on happening tomorrow. So if they join in today or they join in next week, it's always going to say there happens to be a webinar going on tomorrow. So me personally, I like to do this one and then we do it every week, and I run them on Thursdays at 8 p.m. And then also you can add in other timing. So you can do here, add new session. And let's say that I'm going to do now, and they can join in at the 2-minute mark. So this way, when they are registering for my webinar, they're going to know that they can wait until Thursday at 8 p.m. or there happens to be a webinar that's going on right now that they can join in. So this is during the setup of a new webinar. Now, if you already have a webinar running and you want to change the webinar time, you can click into the webinar here on the left. Once you click in there, you're going to see this gray menu right here, and you're going to click on schedule. Once you click on schedule, click on the schedule group. Once you do that, you can see the sessions that we're running. So this particular webinar, we're doing every week, Thursday at 8 p.m. And then also they can join in, like what we said, but it starts at the 30-second mark for this one. And you can go ahead and delete these if you want, or you can go ahead and add more times right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set your webinar session time or schedule inside of WebinarFuel, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.